Hey everyone, my name is Sahil, and in today's video we will understand various heat shrink products. By the end of this video, you will understand what these products are and where they're used. But why should you listen to me? At Axis, we have been manufacturing a wide range of electrical hardware, including heat shrinkable products for over 30 years. You'll see our products installed in solar farms, data centers, and even in commercial and residential projects in more than 100 countries. Now, let's start from the basics. Heat shrinkable products are made up of cross-linked thermoplastic elastomers that contract or shrink when exposed to heat. This characteristic allows it to tightly wrap around electrical conductors and termination paths, providing insulation, weather stability, and chemical resistance. But where did these products come from? During World War II, the military needed a better way to insulate wires in aircraft and vehicles, something light, durable, and reliable. Scientists found that certain plastics like polyvinyl chloride, also known as PVC, shrink when heated. This shrinking action created a tight seal over joints, offering insulation and protection. Therefore, the usage started in aerospace and quickly expanded to automotive, telecom, and power systems industries. But why are we discussing heat shrinkable products? The reason we are discussing them is because they are now a key part of safe, long-lasting electrical connections worldwide. Now, let's move on towards their types and application. Firstly, single-wall tubing. It is called single-wall because it only has one layer of heat shrinkable material. There is no inner adhesive or extra coating, just a single outer wall that shrinks tightly when heat is applied. This tubing is made from polyolefin, PVC, or fluoropolymers. These materials are chosen for their durability, flexibility, and ability to withstand heat during the shrinking process. You will find this tubing used for electrical insulation, wire bundling, and control panels because it is reliable for day-to-day insulation tasks. The shrink ratio of single-wall tubing typically ranges from 2:1 to 4:1. A 2:1 ratio means the tubing will shrink to half its original diameter when heated. For example, if a tube starts at 10 mm in diameter, it will shrink down to 5 mm. This allows it to grip tightly onto wires, terminals, or connectors of different sizes, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Next is double-wall tubing. This one has two layers. The outer consists of heat shrink material, which will shrink after heating and provide insulation and mechanical protection. The inner layer is made up of hot melt adhesive, which melts after heating and provides waterproof seals which resist moisture, dust, and contaminants. Similarly, there are other types of tubing like adhesive-lined, heavy wall, Kynar tubing, and many others. Each is made for specific applications using different materials. Covering all of them in detail is beyond the scope of this video, so we'll make a separate video dedicated to tubing. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on electrical engineering. Secondly, heat shrink termination kits. These kits are used for low voltage and medium voltage applications. They provide insulation and sealing where the cable connects to the equipment. They prevent leaks and short circuits in electrical systems. They also protect the termination point from moisture, dust, and mechanical stress. This makes the connection more stable and durable. They are manufactured from cross-linked polymers due to their strong insulation and heat resistance in outdoor or industrial conditions. You will find these kits installed in power distribution, substations, and industrial sites. Axis's ADAPT 3 termination kits include tubing, stress control tubing, insulating tubing, sealing mastic, and lug connectors. You will get these kits tailored for indoor and outdoor applications, fitting single, triple, and variable cable sizes. We have a specific video on how to install these termination kits. The link is right here and in the comment section. Number 3. Straight through joints. These joints connect two cable segments, creating a continuous insulated link. They are designed for single and triple core cables operating from low to high voltage applications. They are made from cross-linked polyolefins so that they insulate against electrical faults and withstand the high temperatures of live cables. Once shrunk, they resist cracking, abrasion, and physical stress. Cross-linked polyolefins also protect against moisture, oils, and chemicals. They hold their shape tightly around the joint, creating a secure and lasting seal. You will find them installed in telecommunications, railways, construction projects, and power transmission and distribution. These industries need strong and sealed joints to protect the cables from moisture, mechanical stress, and environmental damage. In railways and power distribution, these joints handle high voltages and resist vibrations and weather changes. In telecommunication and construction, they prevent signal loss and maintain power flow in buried or exposed cables. Axis' ADAPT3 straight-through joints fit single and triple core cable sizes for 11 kV applications. We have a specific video on how to install these joints. The link is right here and in the comments section. Number 4. Heat shrink molded products. These are pre-shaped materials designed to shrink tightly around objects when heated. They are used to protect and insulate wire and cable harnesses, cable ends, connectors in automotive, electronics, and aerospace industries. These products are molded into specific shapes such as end caps, rain sheds, right-angle boots, and breakouts as per your requirement. They are manufactured from cross-linked thermoplastic materials that shrink under heat to form a tight protective seal around the object. When placed over the item and exposed to heat, they adapt closely to its shape, providing insulation, mechanical protection, and a waterproof seal. These products are different from tubes, which shrink to cover only uniform cables. Molded products fully seal areas where cables split, bend, or connect at odd angles. They provide a tight seal and full protection where regular tubing cannot be used. I hope you now have a clear understanding of these products and their applications. Please note that there are more types of products for specific applications. We have only covered the prominent ones. Always ensure that the selection and installation of heat shrink components are carried out by trained and authorized professionals. At Axis, we have a team of over 50 engineers who can help you with choosing, applying, and testing your heat shrink solutions. Our products are installed in solar farms, substations, data centers, factories, and even in everyday residential and commercial projects. Before you move on to the next video, learn how to properly install heat shrink termination and jointing kits. Watch the video right here.